Hey, how's it going? My name is Franz, and thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. And I really appreciate you watching. Today, we're going to do a unboxing video of a giveaway that I won recently in a junk removal community group. And very excited to see what they sent me. So let me actually show you the package real quick. It's this one here. It's a pretty heavy package, so we'll see what they sent me, and yeah, let's get into it. So I just opened the box. There are a couple of items in there, so let's see. First items they sent me are some gloves, very good stuff, and they're also like the more like heavy duty gloves, so those are like perfect for like if you have like a construction cleanup that you need to do, and you'll have like the concrete bricks that you kind of need to move. They're like very good. I like the gloves that are like a little bit more thinner for like furnitures and like the day-to-day moving, but these are definitely incredible for yeah, like the construction and like more like the heavy duty stuff. So definitely appreciate the gloves here. Then next item we have a hammer. That's also awesome. Thank you so much. It's a 3 pound hammer. So, all right. And the next item we have is some disposable gloves. That's also always like helpful because there are some jobs where you definitely want gloves that you only want to use one time and then just get rid of it. The next item that was sent to me from the giveaway are some ratchet straps. Unfortunately, it kind of opened up. It's not that big of a deal, but yeah, some ratchet straps also always like super helpful when you kind of want to have a little bit of a load that is like a little bit higher, and you kind of want to like hold it down in the trailer. So that's absolutely awesome. All right, and I think this one is like a really awesome item. We got this saw here. Let's see that it's in the focus. That's awesome. Those are incredible. They're super handy when you need to take items apart. When items are too long in the trailer and you need to kind of like cut it up, or yeah, structures, you can take down like entire like sheds. So that's awesome. That's honestly like really helpful in a junk removal company to have one of these saws. Definitely recommend it. And then coming with these, they send a battery and a charger. All right, and then we also got these blades here. Let me show it to you. It's a 4-pack, so that's definitely appreciated as well. Thank you so much for saying that. And then we have one more item. We got some safety glasses here. Very important. In my junk removal company, I prioritize safety very highly. So safety glasses and gloves are always like prioritized. Like even like earplugs to kind of like protect yourself, and even like masks when it's like dusty. So that's incredibly important. Like safety is very important and prioritized. So yeah, those are incredible items. I'm very thankful that I got that sent to me and that I won the giveaway. So thank you so much for sending that over, and yeah, I appreciate you watching, and hopefully you saw a couple items that are like very on the important list of like having a junk removal company. So yeah, if you want to see a video of me picking a couple extra items that I would kind of like include in a list of like items that are important to have in a junk removal company, let me know, comment down below, or send me a message on Instagram, and yeah, we can make that happen for you. So yeah, have a good day and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye. All right, so I open it up and it's awesome. Like it's really heavy duty and yeah, appreciate it. Thank you so much.